Ian, what are you doing?
If anything's going to raise my flipping blood pressure, it's my wife taking a video of me while I'm under stress.
Are you under stress?
Nah.
Nah.
Having a good laugh.
Is your is your blood pressure good?
Well, I think my upside down peach cake.
I made that.
Peach upside down
I made
cake
that.
was absolutely astounding.
Yeah.
Be-stounding even.
It didn't turn out quite as I liked it.
Yeah, but only because you always have some idea that it's supposed to be this way or that way. It was to the English palate.
Yeah, I forgot the sugar.
Perfectly. See?
What is it?
No, it's over 99. And on the return, the blood's going back at 99 pounds per square inch.
Is that what it is?
No, I don't know. It's 133 over. It's pretty good. Considering I just ran up the stairs, my heartbeat is 73.
Usually it's 60.
That's when I see you. That's what happens. My heart just beats so fast. Normally my resting heart rate is something like 56.
Yeah, I know. Mine's high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
mine's high.
females, even in the womb, their heartbeats are faster than the men, which is strong and steady.
Shut up. So how you feeling, Ian?
With my hands.
Yeah.
Come over here. I need to feel with my hands.
Stop.
I'm bad.
Stop.
I know. I'm
Stop.
a bad influence.
Stop,
I'm
you
sorry.
are. How are you feeling?
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair to middling.
Yeah.
Moving well, though.
Yeah. So what's on the agenda for today? I just wanted to say, the people wanted to say hello. I haven't done a video in about 10 days.
And I've missed you.
I know. You've missed me.
Well, I don't know. Sore thumb.
Be quiet. So what are you doing today?
We're going to go clean our lovely little vehicle.
Yeah.
Maybe we're going to make some moves with our little car to get a slightly larger vehicle.
Yeah, because the lease is up, so we
Yes.
have to figure out.
Yes.
We have to figure out what we're going to do.
At least we have to look into it.
Yeah. Yeah. So you're going to clean the car.
Yep.
Yeah.
Maxwell.
Off to the car wash.
Yep.
Who's made it dirty?
Maxwell.
It wasn't Maxwell. It was so you.
Oh well.
When you drive that little car.
But very carefully.
Yeah, I know.
Goes like the wind though.
It is. It's a nice
Just
little
as well
car.
you're not driving it
Yeah.
because you'd be going too fast.
Is that what it would be? Okay, so I'm glad you're feeling better.
Yep.
Not 100%.
On the mend.
Nor me, but we're on the mend, right?
Yep.
All right.
Great to see you all.
Say bye.
Can't see you though.
Yeah.
But great to be on.
Bye.
Bye bye.